Corinthian column, because this all history was preserved by Macedonian people. So these are the Greek elements. This is the death of Sila Buddha. So Lord Buddha was died in India 483 BC, and then they cremated in India. The relics of Lord Buddha was distributed by Mauryan King Ashoka. So this first Buddhist stupa was established by the 2 kilometers away from here.
Here. Okay.
He is only 2 kilometers away from here. These are the real objects. Century AD, when the Whites they came here, they cutted the heads and they destroyed all these structures. So some of the heads are recovered, now they are displayed here in our different showcases. But here you can see just the different worship poses of Buddha. That was
No hairs. So no hair.
the heads are destroyed by the Mongolian. Mongolian. White hands. Still at the China side. Buddhist people, they were used here different precious stones like diamonds and rubies. So when Mongolian people they came here, first they saw it, then they cut the head and then took out the precious stone and they take up. And that's what the Buddha. And these are the new objects we have recently excavated from Janawali. You can see the stupa, but his base are not excavated. Greek art, which all they have curly hair, sharp nose, and look at this face of Buddha. It look like a message excavated from here, and that side subjects are called conceiving beautiful renunciations.
His child's name was Siddhartha, and ultimately after him.
Yes.
Person, he briefed us that Buddha is born in India. At that time, I pleaded him. What he told him, I have read in the book. Please make corrections. We will send some books if you like. That it's written with proof that Buddha was born in Nepal, in Lumbini.
The Greek god, Atlas.
What is the name of philosopher there from Greek?
Greek.
That
Greek god, Atlas.
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 So that is placed here.
Yes. Because this all history was preserved by the Greek people.
Oh, this.
And we have excavated different kind of Greek gods, because these Greek gods, I will show you on their different on their stupas. On the first layer of the stupa, there they show the Atlas. They are carrying the world, because these are the 7 layers. These Atlas, they are carrying the layers.
Right. So you mean that this Buddhist sculptures were preserved by in the beginning by the Greek when they
These are
came
all
here?
made by the Greek.
Oh, all
These
these,
statues, they were made by the Greek.
all these. Oh,
All
that
these-
one.
Yes.
Oh, right.
Father of Lord Buddha.
No, sir. This is the picture of one Mongolian man. Buddha, and she was the wife of this Mongolian man. And top side you can see here are Greek angels. Gold painted. Now you can see just the remaining of the gold of it.
All these stones
Yes, stone beads and
brought from where?
they brought it from northern area, from Savat Valley. There are big mines.
यो वास्तवमा अब एन्सियन्ट स्कल्पचर र मलाई चाहिँ के लाग्यो भने मङ्गोलियनहरूले बुद्धको जुन मूर्ति छ नि त्यो मूर्तिलाई एकदम मर्सिलेसली काटेर टाउको उडाएको कतिको उडाएको यो चाहिँ अब एउटा हृदय विदारक जस्तो लाग्यो क्या वास्तवमा अब कुनै पनि धर्म कुनै पनि समुदायलाई चोट पुर्याउनु त कसैले चोट पुर्याउनु हुँदैन नि तर अब मङ्गोलियन यहाँ हामीलाई भन्यो मङ्गोलियनहरूले चाहिँ यसरी काट्यो भनेपछि त मङ्गोलियनहरूले किन चाहिँ बुद्धको यस्तो गर्यो खेदो गर्यो भनेर मलाई चाहिँ मनमा अलिक चिसिक्क परेको कारण चाहिँ त्यही छ बुद्धको प्रिचिङ जुन उपदेश हो विश्वभर फैलिएको छ नि जापानमा जाउँ कोरियामा जाउँ हो कि अब अफगानिस्तान प्यालेस्टाइनतिर जाँदाखेरि पनि बुद्धको चाहिँ बुझिन्छ अमेरिकामा जाँदाखेरि पनि यस लर्ड बुद्ध वाज बर्न इन नेपाल इन्लाइटेन इन इन्डिया भनेर जहाँ पनि जतासुकै बुद्धको त चर्चा त चलिरहेछ त्यस कारणले नेपालबाट अब यसरी आउनलाई त यो सिल्क रोडको प्रभाव पनि हो क्या पहिलाको सिल्क रोडको कारणले यसरी कम्युनिकेसन भएर पनि आएको जस्तो लाग्यो कि तर पनि मलाई चाहिँ अझै पनि बुद्धको मूर्तिहरूको चाहिँ टाउको काटेकोमा चाहिँ यो त कुनैले पनि यस्तो चाहिँ अत्याचार गर्न नहुने तर यसमा भनौँ अब धर्मको हिसाबले गर्यो होला अब मङ्गोलियनहरूले चाहिँ अनेक कारणले गर्दाखेरि गर्यो होला जस्तो चाहिँ लाग्छ है मलाई
आप उनको बताइए जहाँ जाना है हमें 2 बजे वापस इधर पहुँच जाना है इधर बैठो
religious site in Taxila built by King Ashoka and place name Dharma Rajika site name and the meaning okay. Rajika, it was first Buddhist religious site in Taxila built by King Ashoka and meaning Dharma mean religion, Rajika mean king, religious king. And Ashoka basically belonged to Hindu family. He converted into the Buddhism. When became Buddhist and Buddha ashes brought here and built this site. This was the main stupa. When excavated this site, found one gold relic casket, and inside the casket ashes of the Buddha and the teeth relic of the Buddha found from here, still in Taxila Museum. And the stupa still there, 45 feet height. And here is the meditation cells also, and 75 stupas excavated in this place. 3 categories stupas found here. Main for the worship, these for the monks' grave stupas. Third here, offering votive stupas. Nation, another word. And monastery area also excavated. First educational part built by Ashoka. This all area discovered by John Marshall, 1912 to 1916, 1934 to 1936 in British time. Excavation this site, 50% areas discovered. Now we are here, we are standing here, we are going this way.
Okay.
On the first visit G4 and J1.
4 phases. All the construction of all the phases have been completed or still to be completed?
Some not complete.
Yes, I have.
You know, original condition is different. Some during excavation time, now in museum Taxila. So many names. For example, at that time when people came here for the pray, then people built like this stupa and around they made statue of the Buddha. That is the main one, the main worship place for Buddhist people. Therefore the Buddha relics found from the main stupa. And the back side for the monks, and third these offering.
This backside for the monks?
Yeah, that was for the monks.
Oh, friends are
Yeah, people are coming in this area, different countries, and they use for the worship. Open the World Heritage. And now we reach it was the main entrance for the main stupa, where the still Buddhist people came here from different countries. They use this way for the worship. At that time people used this way for the pray. There is the main stage, meditation Buddha found from that area now in Museum Taxila. The people stand there and worship and then come down and they take round also. 1, 3 and 7 maximum. only the people worship there.
I
Therefore, the
see.
statue is there,
I see.
not vision up there.
So the
Spelling fair before.
It was in the
Oh.
museum.
Yeah, now
only-
museum. And next you see the huge
feet,
one,
feet up.
33 feet.
2 feet.
More important than.